Welcome viewers to this channel. We are providing best product reviews and comparison guide from thousands of products and brands. Now explore 10 best lunch boxes for men one by one. Let's enjoy the best show. The Lunchbox, a new film report. Conjure up a housewife, who's a pretty good cook with a husband that's forgotten marital affection is something he provides. What does she do? Quaint wisdom has it that the secret to a man's libido is through his taste buds. And, in Mumbai, where she now resides, there moves a vast lunch service that feeds thousands of workers each day. The way it works is fantastic to observe. Every day, men on bicycles collect prepared lunch meals from restaurants as well as single chefs, mostly housewives, and through an archaic but effective system of conveyance these box lunches get delivered to folks working in the city. Thus the housewife in this film has contrived through this service that her husband shall eat a lunch that should fetch some results. But and here's the film's foil: her lunch gets delivered to a man who's not her husband. His name is Sajan, and he is played by Afram Khan. The housewife, Isla, is played by Nimrat Kaur. So here's Sajan sitting at his desk in a cramped office warren one day, opening up interlocking food cups that make him slump back with surprised pleasure as he takes in their aromas. Next comes a bemused smile as he savors each delicious spoonful. How is this happening? He guesses there's been a mistake. Meanwhile, Isla soon learns that it's not her husband who's the one whose heart she has touched. Isla and Sajan start writing to each other. Isla shares with Sajan that her husband is treating her with cool disdain. Sajan shares the loveless life that he leads as a widower who shortly will retire. For more details and current price, check the product link in the below description. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Thanks for watching.